Welcome to SOLIDWORKS 2025. Today we're exploring the latest assembly features and functionalities that will help you work faster, smarter, and more efficiently. Whether you're handling large assemblies or streamlining your workflow, there's something new for everyone. Let's start with performance evaluation. In SOLIDWORKS 2025, the tool now reports previous version files and their locations, helping you track outdated components. It also flags graphics display triangles over 5,000, which can impact performance in large assemblies. And with shortcuts to high triangle count components, you can quickly access and optimize them without hunting through your design. Next, Speedpack just got easier to manage. In SOLIDWORKS 2025, you can now create Speedpack configurations at the top level of an assembly. This streamlines the design process by allowing you to simplify large assemblies without going into individual sub-assemblies, reducing computational load and improving performance. Large Design Review Mode has received some great updates. Breadcrumb selections are now supported, making it easier to access features and components without exiting LDR. Plus, the new component preview window allows you to inspect parts before opening them, saving time and maintaining system performance. Managing display states is now easier than ever with a new display state table. You can view and manage hidden or shown components in assemblies in one place, simplifying visibility control of large designs. With document groups, you can now save and recall multiple open documents like parts, assemblies, and drawings in a single click. This is a huge time saver when working with multiple file projects, letting you pick up exactly where you left off. Copy with mates has expanded to support all mechanical and advanced mates, making it easier to duplicate components while maintaining the integrity of complex assemblies. From gear mates to path mates, this feature enhances flexibility and reduces repetitive tasks. Z-Up workflows are now supported. SOLIDWORKS 2025 lets you define parts and assembly templates around a Z-Up coordinate system, providing more flexibility when working with systems that use different coordinate orientations. That wraps up our look at the new assembly features in SOLIDWORKS 2025. From performance enhancements to better visualization and control, these updates are designed to streamline your workflow. Ready to upgrade? Experience the future of design today.